What is Project Laser? Project Laser, let's go! Hey guys, me Elite Champs back with another Brawl Stars video. So guys, many of you might have seen this Project Laser thing, the 8-bit game. Yeah, so today we're gonna have the conceptual talk. What is Project Laser? What is it all about? And what are the probabilities of Project Laser being some hints by Brawl Stars? We are trying to complete this game completely, but quite a tough game. Destroyer is on, the gameplay is by Destroyer, and Destroyer is with me. We're gonna have a talk on Project Laser. So first, be sure to check out my previous video, the first, I guess one of the first videos on Project Laser. So now with me is Destroyer, and we're gonna have a talk on Project Laser. So Destroyer.
Yes, guys, I'm still trying to complete the game right now. It's so hard, guys.
So basically, what is Project Laser? Is it what does it signify? Is it a new game mode, a new map, a new the next theme, a new event or something that is a new mode, or is it a new Supercell game or a mini game that makes Brawl Stars even exciting? What spoilers does it give about Brawl Stars? Let's have this talk with Destroyer. And guys, all these levels were completed in my phone by Destroyer, and the last two levels was too difficult, so I was frustrated. He completed in his phone, so I'll show you guys the recording in his phone. We completed all levels finally after a long try.
Yep, guys, it was so hard. I mean, actually at the last you have to spam jump. I reached there 2 times and I forgot to spam jump. It was so frustrating. I almost threw my phone.
So let's go about all these.
So guys, basically in the first level, you'll have to collect the Brawl Stars logos and dodge the meteors. And try to kill all the the spaceships and the dog militant forces. But guys, what I did, I played very passive and I tried not to die. So if you see here, now a vortex will open. You have to shoot that, guys, and go inside it. Okay.
Yeah, so now you fall into the second level. What do you think this first level, does it give you any hint about Brawl Stars or anything?
Well, this first level, like, see, the guys, the chicken and the dogs, they were there in the... And guys, just one more thing, this was written in Japanese, so we'll translate it for you. We'll translate
to translate it for... I think the first level, like... it cannot be said a new game. Yeah, it can be said a new game mode, but not exactly a new theme, because we played in different themes around here, in a forest theme. Then in different themes we played. So guys, this is the second level basically here.
Yep. So guys, you have to focus on the Colt and the Barley slugs. They are the one who can attack you. If they can attack you from far. So now I'm attacking the Rosa slugs right here.
And what theme do we get from the background and all?
Yep.
What do you think?
So guys, if you see it, it looks like a paradise. If you see the background, there's a for an ice cream, there's a suitcase. It looks like Mr. P's suitcase. Guys, this might be a hint to Mr. P's hotel.
Yeah, and I think there's a creature that is like not exactly a snake holding a orange juice.
Squid.
Yeah.
So guys, basically this one stage has 3 levels. Here we can see some...
just crossed the first level. That was not exactly, you can't say it as easy, but...
Yeah, but it is fine. Normal. Yeah. And guys, here you can see a huge gumball machine. And at the far end, you can see a tower, a connection tower. And some broken wires here.
Yeah, that gunball machine may be... all the gunball... Yeah, it may belong to Rico. Some hint of Rico getting some buff or nerf in the next update.
Yeah, it might be. Guys, just see this. It's so hard.
And this theme, maybe there's a change. And
guys, if you see, there are big black boxes opening in the background. Here, guys, it looks like a bit of an Egyptian theme. Can this be Tara's Bazaar? No, doesn't look like that.
No, and there are honeybees or what are those flying?
There's some...
And there's a skull. I guess that's a bull back, yeah.
Looks like a bull skull.
Bull skull, and there are windmills or something going on that may belong to Gale.
There are towers there.
Yeah.
Fallen tower there behind it.
And this level is, guys, too tough.
Guys, it's very hard. Like, I completed in one go, but before that I had to practice so much. Just like there's no place to move, guys. It's a lot harder than it looks.
What are these creatures that are shooting?
That is a cold slug. They're slugs.
Oh.
That's a barley slug. If you can see, it's a cold slug.
Yeah, guys, you can see something falling from the top, and another suddenly a barley is coming and throwing something.
Yeah.
Are they different? Are they different?
I think they're different. I don't think that's from barley.
Oh, you can see the clouds, I guess. Smoke
now
clouds.
you have to spam jump, guys.
Does 8-bit go into the cloud?
8-bit doesn't really go into the cloud.
Okay, now.
I mean, yeah, I think he goes into the cloud, something like that.
And then he reaches the next level. Okay,
And
next
guys,
level.
Here you can see Spike and then Tara, Sprout, Sandy.
You can see lot many. This is a like Wonderland theme. The bright colors from the background.
Yeah, a lot of
So let's see the third level now.
Here's story.
So now we entered in the third level.
8-bit, don't do it. Return to the warm bath of ignorance. If you accept the coin, perhaps you will find out who you are. Or maybe you will just defeat what you are.
This is a coin. Sounds a bit weird.
Okay, don't ever say you didn't warn you. Guys, this is the part where I got really confused. He said, don't ever say you didn't warn you.
Stargate Breakdown.
Stargate Breakdown is actually also one of the names, I think. No. Stargate, guys, if you didn't know, Project Laser was a 2016 name of Brawl Stars. And here, guys, Bull is bullying
8-bit dumb old game.
Dumb old game.
Wow.
Ha ha ha, here we go again.
So guys, now into the third stage. After several attempts, we successfully could complete the third.
Yeah, so this is a successful one. We tried it a lot of times, guys. It was very frustrating. So yeah, just see.
So basically, the rules are you have to collect
You have to collect around 100 coins.
to pass the stage, and you have to dodge from these. I guess I don't know. You have to
The
hit.
other brawlers.
The other brawlers, especially guys, Gale. It looks like he's dead, but he is not.
Yeah.
And if you reach the surge, you can think that you've completed around half the game.
No, not. Yeah, let's say half. You can say.
Yeah, so it's just don't fall into the lava or you're dead. Yeah. So now, what can you think of seeing this stage about Brawl Stars? How can you compare it to?
So
Brawl
I can see many signs called Starcade, Slugfest. Guys, Slugfest is also one of the names. It's also supposed to be a name of Brawl Stars, like Project Laser.
So now Max.
Guys, it's a lot harder than it looks.
Yeah, guys, it looks quite easy and it was lagging, so
Yeah.
it's too tough.
Yeah.
The Gale, the brawlers, they keep on hitting.
Exactly, dude.
Leon is one of the easiest to counter. Kill. And yeah, you can see so many Slugfest Sprout trees, I guess, 8-bit. And these poles, you have to kill all these. Keep moving, keep going.
Yeah.
The surge.
I almost die here,
surge.
The surge.
Yeah,
almost
so guys, in this part, you have to spam your
jump button.
jump, yeah, or else you'll not come
you'll
over
not
here.
reach.
Now, guys.
Your truth is priceless, but in this case, it costs 100 coins. Okay. I have 100 coins with me.
Yeah, now you can see a replica of 8-bit. This is insane. It copies the exact same thing you do. We literally, it was after so many attempts.
Yeah, it was really hard, guys.
You went deep into the recess of your
Memory. In doing so, you destroyed yourself. What?
destroyed himself.
In doing so, you freed yourself. What?
Wow. It's mysterious.
Continue.
Okay, countdown starts.
Not over. 6, 5,
What happens?
4, 3,
3, 2,
1.
1.
What happens?
Screen blur for around 10 minutes. No, screen blackout for around 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, this
Guys,
is.
we have just cut it because it's
We have 4x times fastened it up.
Yeah.
So
And guys,
now
it just
Brawl Stars opens
it just opens
once again.
It just goes back.
Do
to
you
Brawl
get something?
Stars.
One item remaining.
That was something else. I got auto aimer from
Oh.
17,500 box.
Do you get something? Do you get a gift? What? Click into 8-bit just.
Yeah.
What happens?
Nothing.
What
I didn't get any
happens?
skin, no nothing.
Same thing again. What is game not over?
Why? What is game not over? What?
What was that game not over? Is there something
I
else?
tried to go back to Chrome, guys.
Is
Still
it
does not
is,
work.
is it something else?
I tried to go back to Chrome.
No, it's not. It's not that way. So
Just a
this is all up for this video, I guess.
yeah.
We try to reveal as much as we know.
Yep.
So bye bye guys, see you guys in the next video.
Yep,
Bye bye.
bye.
Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more info.
Yes, bye.